Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll be making aesthetic DIYs. Let's get into the video. The first thing we are making is a flower card case. For that we need a CD case and wipe it with a tissue so that there isn't any fingerprint. And here I have some dried flowers. I have compressed them. So now we have to set the flowers inside the case. After this, add some glue and stick it inside the case. So here I have a tip. Add a little bit of glue. There's no need of adding a lot of glue. A little bit will be enough. That's it, our case is ready. It's really easy and really beautiful. So for the next DIY, we're gonna make a CD art. It's really famous on Pinterest and TikToks, I guess. So for that we need a bunch of CDs and make a mark on the CDs, like make 2 lines, and then using a tape peel it off so that the holographic stuff would come out. So that's how we are gonna do. And for me the first one was super hard, in which the holographic stuff was not coming out, and I tried it really hard, but on the second one it was really easy. So guys, yeah, you need to put some effort and try taking it out. So now you can see me, I'm trying really hard. See, the holographic stuff came out, but still there's something blacky behind it which wasn't coming out. Yes, after a long time of hard work, this first one was still not good, but the second one, it was really clear and nice. And now we need to paint on them. After a long searching process, I finally got this painting art. It was super easy and also cute. This is the one I'm going to paint. So first we need to make a base. I'm using this lemon yellow just to coat the base. If you want, you can use white color as well. Now we need to paint the CD with dark colored paint, and also use sketch pens or black markers and draw the outline. Use light brown color paint and paint it to make it more realistic. Now using a black color paint, trace the figure. Yeah, so now using the black paint, write butter on the top of the CD. At last we are done. And now let's go to the second CD. Same way, after a lot of search, I got this picture of this cute clouds and rainbow. This is what we are going to paint on our CD. Now I'm done with the clouds. Now using yellow, blue and red, let's draw the rainbows. And now we are done with them. Both of them look really beautiful and also aesthetic. I hope you like my video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and also comment. See you all in my next video.